Hello and welcome to Online Education 8. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to create and verify UK Wise Business account. If you have a registered business in UK, then you are able to create Wise Business account easily. To do this process, we need to enter Wise account with UK IP address. If you are outside of UK, then you need to use VPN or VPS. Those I am from outside of UK, so I'm using VPN. This is Hardfrag VPN, and you can use this VPN to create your Wise account and use your Wise account, or you can access your Wise account very easily. This is the reliable and low cost VPN. You will get 200 plus VPN server. So we have no need VPN server because we have a static IP. You can see here location and static IP. You need to click here and you can go with any static IP. Static IP means this IP will be never changed and you can access Wise account very easily from a single IP address every time. Okay, so I'm connecting my VPN. Then we need to click on the continue button. You can see here a VPN has been connected, and if you want to buy this VPN, you will get the VPN referral link on the video description. If you buy from our referral link, then you will get 2 months free. Now we need to click on this referral link. This is Wise referral link. You can follow our referral link to create Wise business account. Okay, I am clicking here.
Clicking our referral link, we will redirect to this page directly, and here we need to input our email address. Then we need to click on the next button. After that, we need to select our account type, business or personal. Those I am interested to create business account, so I am clicking here, and here we need to select our business country location. I mean, where your business located right now. Our business right now located in United Kingdom, so I'm selecting here United Kingdom. Then click on the continue button. Here we need to verify our phone number as 2FA. This is our phone number. Now we need to click on the send verification code button. An OTP will be sent to this phone number. After receiving the code, we need to input here. After inputting the OTP code, we need to click on the submit button. I'm clicking here. Now we need to set a password for our Wise account. Make sure your password at last one capital letter, number and symbol, and minimum 9 characters length. So I have inputted my password. Now I'm clicking on the continue button, and here is a short message that we need to about 20 minutes to get approved our account. If you create Wise account, you need to pay 45 GBP as a Wise account activation fee, but we have a private link. We can create account without paying. If you need Wise account, if you need to create a Wise account under your company by us, you can contact with us. So I'm clicking on the let's start button, and here we need to enter our company number or company name to add our company with Wise. So I have inputted my company number, and this is our company name. I'm clicking on the company name, and then we need to click on the continue button. Now we need to click on the continue button. We have no need to do anything in this page. I'm clicking on the continue button again. Here we need to select our account type. Which type of activity or which type of service we are providing under our company. So I'm clicking on the advertising and marketing. Do you have any website? I've selected no website, and our employee size is 2 to 10, and here you need to write a short description about your business. Okay, now we need to click on the continue button. Again continue. Here you need to input the personal details about the director. Then write your date of birth. Here you need to input your address, your local country address. Now we need to click on the confirm button. In this page, no need to do anything. Click on the skip this step, and you can see here we have no need to pay any amount to open the Wise account. You can see here free for you, and I'm clicking on the get this feature, and here you need to select which currency or bank account you want to open. So we want to Euro, GBP, USD, and AUD, CAD. Okay, now we need to click on the continue button. Okay, so here we need to select our Wise account using purpose. What's the purpose for using Wise? So we want to use both paying supplies and contractors, and now click on the continue button. It's loading. Here is the director name and address. By default come here, and we have no need to change, so I'm clicking on the continue button. Again, in this page you have no need to do anything, just click on the continue button, and here you need to upload our identity proof like passport, driving license, or an ID card. So you need to select the ID issuing country. So I'm creating this account from a client, so ID issuing country is Bangladesh, and this is passport document. So I'm clicking on the continue button again, and we need to upload the passport document here. Okay, the passport document is uploaded successfully. Now we need to click on the continue button, and here we need to select our options. Why we are using Wise and how we will get paid to our Wise account. Okay, so you can select according to your business activity. I'm selecting this under the company activity. Okay, then we need to click on the continue button. In this page we need to submit some additional information, that which country we will get sending or receiving money. So I'm selecting United States, Australia, Germany, and United Kingdom. That's okay. Now we need to click on the continue button. Here we need to select how much money we will receive each month. So it will be 500 to 5000 GBP. Okay, then click on the continue button. Okay, you can see here that's all we need has been set. Now we can explore our Wise account. Now you can see our Wise account has been created successfully. Now we need to check our email, and we need to verify our email. You will get this email verification link to your email, and you need to click on your verification link. After clicking this link, your email address will be verified. Okay, you can see here verifying your email. Okay, you can see here email verified, and I'm clicking on the continue button. Now we need to wait about 10 to 15 minutes, and our account will be get verified. To check our account status, we can click on any bank details. When your account get verified, you will get here a account number. Okay, so this is the process to create a Wise business account. While introducing a new user interface, so here is a new information submitting option. When you click on the first time on your account currencies after creating your account, and when you're waiting for the verification, you need to do some additional verification, like you need to enter or you need to select some additional features to confirm your account activity type. Okay, so I'm clicking on the euro account to submit my additional information to get verified our account faster. You can see here is the option verify your account. We need to click on the verify account details button, and here we need to select some options, that where do your business fund come from, revenue, business loan, funding. Also you need to select this option according your business or according your company. So I'm selecting these features, from where we will receive our fund to our VISA account. So again you need to confirm these options. I'm clicking on the continue button. After selecting this additional information, within 1 or 2 minutes you will get verified your account. Okay, that's all we need, has been submitted, and click on the explore voice. Now you need to wait 1 or 2 minutes to get verified your account. I'm clicking on the GBP account, and you can see here the account shortcode and account number. So our account has been successfully verified. Once we click on the account number and shortcode, we will get our all account details. If you need Wise business account, you can buy ready-made Wise account from us. And the same time, if you need to open a Wise account without deposit, you can contact with us. Hope this video is useful for you, and if you like this video, please hit the like button. If you have any question about this video, please leave your question in our comment section. In the same time, if you need Wise related support or service, you can contact with us. We provide Wise related support and service in reliable price. So thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video with new topics. Till then, take care and be safe.